Hi everyone, this is Priyanka, and today I want to show you a pendulum. So, people who are into psychic healing or energy healing, they are aware of what pendulum is. But for common people, pendulum is something which you don't usually see in your day to day life. But pendulum is a simple device, a divination tool rather, which can help you find answers to your questions. Not only just a yes or no reply to like a question like should I be doing this or not today. Yes or no say be beyond a pendulum can help you get answers. It can help you scan your chakras. It can help you understand if any of your chakras are blocked or not, if the energies of your house is clear or not, if the energies around you, say, of people around you are clear or not, right? And one more thing, a pendulum can actually, if very nicely, properly energized, invoked, programmed, and used, can also help you find out if you have misplaced or if you have lost something. Like if you have lost, say, a ring or you have misplaced your wallet. So then a pendulum can actually guide you to find that missing thing as well. And if you want to learn more about pendulum browsing, and if you want to learn about how do you energize a pendulum, how do you use it, and what are the other, there are a lot of uses of pendulum. So if you want to learn about them, then you can join my upcoming workshop on angel therapy. Think about it. Thank you.